Ken was just a little bit nervous when he got up before. The only part of him that wasn't shaking was the top of his head. Isn't that right, Ken?
Absolutely not, whatever.
He's going to do another song. Another big hand, please, for Ken.
Song just for losers, like she builds up things she uses, like a box or a pen or cupboards or shelves. The songs are made of air, can be any use to her. Better off trying to catch all the airplanes. So daft, you're not even right by heart. Though you sing songs fundamentally, yeah, there's also thousands of vibrations that stimulate the ear. Such a way that whenever I hear them, always make me smile, just as tactile as a box or a bed or cupboards or shelves. You cursing and no hope, get back in the saddle. While she was still speaking, towards his feet he's reaching, oh where lay his guitar. His head was swimming in an apple, soon let it swirl with words born in his heart. He said, I'm gonna build this song for us, all verses and the chorus, on real estate, your words inspired, and there will live rent-free, sweep up beds of melody, and leave the key change with the season. The song he built was hers, with chorus and full verse, and she wanted to find him finally asleep.
A big hand there, please, for Ken, the local jewel. Have you got anything fixed? Any gold wear fixed? Come and see Ken. Makes beautiful jewellery. Do you do gold teeth, Ken? We can bring up a different